I should be streaming. I'm gonna wait until some people hop in here because, yeah, why not? Let's see if I can hop in here. I got a like, but I don't see if anybody's in here yet. I don't know if it's working. I gotta make sure my streams are working because they don't normally work. I have issues with my streams all the time. Oh, one viewer. All right, let's go. So we working. Give it a couple seconds and I'm just about to start talking about Bitcoin and altcoins and all type of shit. Fishing with Camo Joe, what up, bro? Hey, shout out to you for commenting on all the videos too. I see you. That's what's up. Hey, for those who don't know, yesterday was the 1 year anniversary of my boy Crypto Roots passing away. So, shout out to those people who came to my channel from those days when we were doing the podcast. Shout out to Scotty P. What's good, brother? Hey, man, we got to collab soon. I keep forgetting. Let's do that, like, whenever you got time. Maybe this week or something. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the Elon Marley podcast, we was doing this thing back in the day, and Roots was talking about, right here, a couple of these videos where he just really wanted to get more Doge. So it's kind of crazy that he was the only person I heard talking about he wanted to get more Doge, and Dogecoin ended up being like what it was. It's pretty crazy before it was what it was.
I want to mention is you need to choose your actual. You need to choose why are you getting into cryptocurrency. Is it to get more U.S. dollars or is it to get more cryptocurrency? Because here's the thing. In my opinion, if you're just looking at it to get 20,000 in USD, you're thinking short term. Because this U.S. dollar is getting hyperinflated, right? So if you're only jumping into crypto just to get some more USD, that is a very short term strategy. I'm not saying you can't do that. You can do it. It's there for you. That's what exchanges are there. You can do it. But my personal goal is
For
to
sure.
get more Bitcoin, to get more Ethereum.
Are you still traveling, Scotty? I seen you were doing some traveling and stuff. Oh, yeah, but let me keep on playing this. I couldn't hear it.
That's how I view it. Why am I using this US? How can I use this?
I lost the space where you was talking about it at.
I think sushi's where it's at. I never saw it being what it is today, but I can respect the game. I can change my feelings, and once I see you making progress. Right.
So that was one of my favorite roots quotes right there. So yesterday, a couple guys were asking me like, "Yo, what's your favorite roots quotes?" That was one of my favorites. Where he's like, "I can change my mind based on if you're making progress or not." I said 5 year road trip is a goal. 4 months in so far. Oh, that's sick. Damn, that's sick. That's sick. I look forward to seeing some videos on that for sure. All right, but what I wanted to talk about in this live stream, and if you guys have anything you want me to talk about, or if I'm too loud or too quiet, just let me know. And if we get cut off, my bad. I usually get cut off in the middle of my live streams. But I wanted to talk about this Bitcoin chart because it's looking pretty interesting right now. But we had the Pi Cycle indicator like flash like 5 or 6 days ago, and since then we've been going up ever since. But today was the first day that we got above this 200 moving average on this weekly chart right here. So getting above that red line right there. Last night going into today is when we got above that. So looking pretty interesting right there, pretty crazy. So let me turn this off. So, a retest of this level could be like all the way up here. I don't know if there's any traders who are seeing the same thing on this chart, 28,000. I heard some people talking about 28,000, and I'm like, Maybe it might take a while to get there because we are looking on the weekly chart, but it's only what, Tuesday? Yeah, it's only Tuesday, so the bearish retest could still be at like 26K, but that's still kind of far from where we are right now. But it's only Tuesday, so I'm like, we're probably spiking too soon, and we might end this week with a wick. And if we come back down below that, it's gonna be pretty bad for for the altcoins and crypto, whatever. But long as we hold that 19 level, in the short term future or whatever. So that's what I'm looking at. And then when you turn this log scale off, which the log scale is right here, you can see this is kind of like perfect support right there for the price. So I know all the macro stuff is going on, but hey, with everybody thinking that a 0.1 rate hike is priced in, that might lead people to think that we're gonna get that. And if we get anything less than that, people might get bullish. I don't know. Also, the DXY getting dumped on, so that's good for this week, but it could probably just come back down and retest 104. But that'll give some time for altcoins and for Bitcoin to move. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to talk about as far as the Bitcoin chart, because I mean, it's been pretty boring so far, but you know, maybe things are starting to pick up. But at the very least, I'm like, maybe we can get a retest of right here of 26.5, see how that goes. Then I guess I was hearing some stuff. I don't know if you guys heard about this. Let's see how many people are in here. I don't know if you guys heard about this, but they're saying that the ETH merger could happen like this week, or if not tomorrow or something like that. So that might be kind of interesting for ETH price. Looking at ETH is like leading Bitcoin right now, so ETH has to get above this 13 moving average to kind of get excited about that. But yeah, I wanted to talk about some cryptos. So this is a coin right here that I've been looking at. It's called Block X Move BLXM. Now, if you're in my Telegram group, I was asking people about this, and everybody was kind of sleeping on it a little bit. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just do a live stream and just talk about it, because I was gonna make a low cap gem video, but I really didn't feel like editing, to be honest. But yeah, market cap is only 2.7 million. Oh, if you have any coins that you feel like are like better than this, then like let me know. But a couple things that I like right off the bat of this coin: the market cap is only $2.7 million right now. And then hold on, can y'all even see? Yeah, y'all couldn't even see. My bad. I'm getting used to this live streaming stuff. Don't worry. But yeah, basically, I was looking at this coin, Blocks Move, BLXM, and you can see right here, market cap is only 2.7 million. Let me see if I can make this bigger so I can see better. Market cap is only 2.7 million, and the total supply is pretty low, actually, only 50 million on the total supply right there. And so fully diluted is 31 million. So that actually not bad. My bad, I'm getting blown up over here. But yeah, that's not bad for the price of this coin right here. All right, thanks, Camel Joe. Yeah, I'm getting used to these Streamlab keys and stuff like that. But yeah, so with this token right here, the total supply is pretty low. Even though the circulating supply is low right now, the fully diluted market cap, which is just, if all these tokens were in circulation at this price, how much would the market cap be? So that would be 31 million. So that's actually not bad. But we are shared mobility blockchain platform connecting all transport companies. Tired of switching between mobile apps. So basically they make a mobile app where you can like have a ticket to like different apps. Actually, let me just play this real quick.
This is because current urban mobility is... Have you ever got a headache, been stressed or confused when booking a trip? Because there are just too many different mobility apps and options? Did you ever get annoyed about having to sign up to every single transportation app? This is because current urban mobility is fragmented and suffers from a lack of shared cooperation. Blocks Move will allow you to have a seamless journey with one click and one ticket hassle-free. Your favorite
So yeah, you'll have one ticket for like a whole bunch of different stuff, like BARTs, trains, movies, all the stuff. But another thing that I really like about this project is this right here, the renewable energy part. So pay attention to this
Renewable
part.
energy is changing our world to become a better place. However, renewable energy production can neither be turned on nor off. When more energy is being produced than can be utilized, the price of energy drops, even to negative prices. This means that energy producers are charged for producing energy, and energy consumers are paid for using renewable energy. We at Power and Mobility offer a decentralized network to interconnect different energy producers as well as electric mobility. We couple electric cars to the power grid or ecosystem to balance out renewable energy grids. When more energy is produced than can be used, energy can be stored in the batteries of electric cars, balancing the power grid. We offer more flexibility in the energy ecosystem.
Basically, they're just doing some very interesting things in the energy space where they're trying to solve these problems that we have with renewable energy already. Now, if you do watch my channel, then you know I talk about EWT sometimes, and they do have a partnership with Energy Web Foundation. So I think this token is just like pretty damn undervalued right now. The token got like 4 use cases. Utility number 1 says the BLXM token is the only token utilized to pay for decentralized mobility services. So you got to use the token to pay for the services. And then in our hybrid scenarios, they got B2B liabilities to pay B2B liabilities, and they have a token burn, so the token gets burnt, and then you can invest in a future scenario. So they have like DeFi stuff going on with this token as well. So you can use it like, you know, liquidity farming and all that stuff that you can do in DeFi, but the token also has usage in the whole ecosystem of like renewable energy with the cars and with the mobility app and all that good stuff going on. What else did I want to talk about this project? Yeah, just a bunch of stuff going on with this project, the Block X Smooth project. So I really like this project and what's going on right now. So if y'all got any projects you guys want me to check out, just put them in the comment box and all that good stuff. But so the team is from a couple guys from, I think, Benz. So the goals, it says they got the ticketing access coming up, the treasury coming up, and then this NRverse, which is like their product for the metaverse. So there's going to be all type of stuff going on with this coin. I'm pretty excited about that. So pretty damn sick. So check out the Hula Girls NFT project. Got some cool things going on over there. Plus, I'm working on something called the Ohana DAO, where if you're into financial education and all that, like I'm about to have some people who are like doing real estate, people who are doing taxes, people doing crypto, people doing all that kind of stuff, and then we're all just gonna contribute to this thing called Ohana DAO, where we're just gonna be like feeding the family. So everybody who wants to learn what they need to learn to try to get, you know, get all the money they can get. Yeah, check out the Hula Girl NFT. That's kind of where it's going to be at. Track. So very interesting things going on with Track right now. Pretty undervalued, being that it's only 23 cents, and the all-time high is at $3.5. But they are having some new implementations go online pretty soon. So they got the V6 going online, which is just going to open up the decentralized knowledge graph to that many more people, like, and the whole BSI partnership is going to be going live. So like all of the like bullish things that a lot of these coins have been building in the last year is kind of going along with the market kind of getting a little bullish sign. But like I said, I got to see this Bitcoin price close above the 200 for the end of this week. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about today. So I just wanted to come on live, chill with y'all, talk with y'all, because I don't really come on live that much. So shout out to everybody who's watching. And if y'all want me to talk about any tokens or anything like that, let me know, because I just wanted to talk a little bit about the BlockX move, what's going on with Track. I wanted to say what's up to Crypto Roots RIP. Yesterday was the 1-year anniversary of his passing away. And yeah, I'll probably do another video where I add some clips together. And shout out to the ETH Hustlers who are doing a bunch of stuff to keep that going. So that's pretty sick. BlockX move. So some of the partnerships, that's also what I want to talk about. Some of the partnerships on this project look pretty dope as well. Coming down here. Why is it not going? So the mobility partners, they're partnered with Moby. So that was a big one for me because Moby's also partnered with DAG. And I'm pretty big on DAG still. Still one of my favorite tokens. Probably still like top 5 for sure. Market cap's below $1 billion. Yeah. All-time high is 45 cents. Yeah, so shout out to DAG for sure. But they're partnered with Moby as well. Partnered with Energy Web Foundation. Partnered with R3. And down here, their investors they're invested in by Master Ventures, who actually is an investor of some of like the top crypto companies like Coinbase, Kraken, Ripple, Bitstamp, MantraDAO. All these coins like did some pretty cool things. Also, they you know, they got Kalen in their portfolio as well, KYL. So yeah, check out this token. I'll probably make a whole video about it, where I can like map out everything. Hold on, I'm getting a text message. Shout out to Singularity. Man, I keep getting blown up right now. My bad, y'all. Thoughts on UBT? I do hold some UBT, Unibright. I believe they're actually where are we at? I think they're partnered with them as well. So with Ricky, RLDX, I actually haven't heard of that. Can't find it on CoinGecko. Is it on CoinMarketCap? RLDX. It's a smart contract of the following assets modified by contract creator. Disabling sales. Please exercise caution before taking any action. That's interesting. A somewhat of a scammy website, giving you some warning up here. Is it my Rolodex? I don't know if that's the one you're talking about. It just came out on the 14th, CoinMarketCap. Is it this one? While you respond to that, I'm gonna take a look at UBT Unibright. So Unibright only 33 million. Unibright is so undervalued right now. And I have a nice bag of Unibright, but it was sitting in my in my long-term wallet by accident. So when the price hit $4, I didn't sell it. So I got wrecked on my bag of Unibright. But yeah, I'm still gonna hold it for the long term for Unibright. for sure. You said RLDX is this one? All right, let's check it out. First of all, when did it dump? Your trusted source for elite service providers. NFT holders and select token holders are granted access to premium features. Okay, the DeFi space has never been saturated. Blah, 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 blah. It says being taken advantage of. Wait a minute. What's their angle right here? Expert developers, well vested. Designers, marketers, influencers. Premium features. Whale loans, collab, platform, liquidity escrow, NFT whitelist, This is actually pretty interesting. We'll be offering a new way of liquidity funding called whale loans. Whales will receive their initiation back post-launch and the value equivalent to the tokens at the launch price, which are locked for 1 month. Yeah, that was my only question. I was about to ask, like, what would happen if the whale who got into this thing wants to dump on everybody? For users to match with each other and build teams. For now, any process that allows people to like work easier, I'm kind of big on that, because right now, even especially in the NFT space, like there's so much collaboration going on, and people are having a hard time just finding people. And then when you find people, there's like way too many people to like that's out there, you know, as far as like whatever. But project teams will be able to quickly and securely KYC using Rolodex bot. Investors will then be able to view if the team is KYC'd. Interesting. Rolodex holders will be able to use the bot to claim whitelist spots for vetted NFT projects rather than competing for whitelist competitions. All projects must be vetted through the spot. Interesting. They probably have a pretty cracking Twitter if that's the case. See if I can find it. They barely got listed on the 14th. We have our first whale loan launching soon, and the second opportunity on the way. This is a pretty interesting project. I'm gonna have to check about. I'm gonna have to check on that. I'm gonna have to check up on that for sure. It's pretty interesting. Says you should do a video on your YouTube setup, like the green screen, the streaming software, the editor, and where you get your animations, what camera. For sure. Yeah, if y'all need help with that, I know people would be interested in that, but yeah, I could do something like that. Because this is my first time actually like setting up the live stream with all the extras and stuff. But I don't really do live streams too much, so I was like, forget it, I might as well set it up. But it's actually pretty easy to get yourself going if you really want to do it. Alright, so let's go back. This project might be onto something, but they seem like you said they just got listed 5 days ago, so it could be super early. Market cap below $1 million, but it is super early for sure. Interesting. Not a lot of projects in that niche for sure. For this one, for Rolodex, like what they're trying to do over here, direct providers elite results. Why providers use Rolodex? You will no longer be spammed with messages regarding your services. You said I don't like the video. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. All right, I can do that. Some people are probably gonna be like, "It's a crypto channel. We don't want to see this," but it's cool. I got you. We could definitely do that. XRT. It's another one from my list. Rogonomics Network. I don't know if you guys heard of this before. $5 million market cap. Only a total supply of what's that? Oh, about 10 million, I think. All-time high is 400 and something bucks though. And it's $4 right now. 100x to the all-time high. New website. Building dApps for IoT market. So IoT, like, I think IoT is pretty much where it's at. He said it would help bring non-crypto people to. Yeah, I agree. Do that. Are you starting a YouTube channel? I know you've been watching my channel for a while, so are you starting a YouTube channel? I'll subscribe. It says we launched our ambassador program. Join. Pretty dope. But yeah, Rogonomics is like one of the biggest IoT and robotics projects in the space right now. It's pretty slept on. That's because IoT is pretty slept on right now. So yeah, that's definitely one to check out. But I haven't checked out this new website yet. XRT is a utility token that makes it possible to control IoT devices on top of the Ethereum network and the Rogonomics parachain. Use a dApp. Take a look at the beta version of the centralized application of managing IoT devices. For sure. Yeah, 100x if it gets back to the previous all-time high that it had in the DeFi summer. Rogonomics is an open source platform for IoT applications. We support a new generation of technologies, Web3, that implement exchange of technical. Where's the use cases? That's what I'm looking for on here. That's what's up. You tried the hazies. I like hazies. That's my favorite type of beer. XRT has another token called, I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, RWS. So RWS is $8,000 because there's only 50 of them in the circulating supply. Pretty crazy. But this is like the gas token of their network. But my phone is going crazy. What the hell? Yeah, Rogonomic Web Services. It's the same company, but I believe this token is like their. It's either their gas token or their governance token. I'm not sure which one is which. I forget. I think the other one is their gas token. This one is their. The other one is their gas token. This one is their governance. But yeah, this thing was 100K at one point in time. 100K for one token. I remember. Because I remember I could have got one for 3,000 and then it went up. I was like, no. But let's see. Let me give y'all one more. Because y'all not giving me none. I'm finna log off. Shout out to Cosmos. If you're into Cosmos, everybody who's going to Cosmos, I'm probably going to go to Medellin in September for the Cosmos, for the Cosmoverse. So, yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. Of course, I loved Colombia, so any excuse to go back, I'm probably just going to take that excuse to go back. Plus, I didn't get a chance to go to Medellin, so it'd probably be cool to go to Medellin for sure. Oh yeah, someone had asked me about Rose. Rose, 305 million market cap. Damn, these coins are beat up. Sheesh. They are beat up. A new era for blockchain. So the thing about Rose that's big is like it's one of the only blockchains that's kind of one of the only layer ones that are gonna be specializing in just going right off the bat, specializing in privacy. So that's pretty big for, and they're going after like they're going after, what's it called? I don't know why I can't think right now. They're going after the bigger clients, companies, institutions. Oh yeah, they do it by separating the consensus. So actually, I'll probably do a deep dive back into Oasis because there's just too much to unpack. And all these coins anyway, it's like a lot to unpack just in a live stream. But I could just tell you guys how I feel about them. Y'all can go do some research. I know they had some news recently. Yeah, it was they had the largest university program. No, they had some other news for Oasis recently. Like I said, I'm gonna do a video about it. So, yeah. But real short stream, I guess. I'm about to go grab something to eat. If y'all got any coins y'all want me to take a look at live right now, let me know. But if not, I'm about to go grab me a hazy. And then yeah. And the hazies, yeah, you gotta watch out for the hazies because they get you drunk faster. You get a buzz. Like you could be a pro at drinking and have a couple of those and start feeling it after one. And then Beat Stars, yeah, I gotta go ahead and like stock up on my beats. I got a lot of beats just sitting in my Fruity Loops that I need to go ahead and like bounce them out, make videos, and load them up online and stuff. But yeah, so if y'all haven't, checked out my website and stuff like that. I'm about to be doing more live streams. I just wanted to get on here today and actually like test this stream out. And it seems like everything is working good. Shout out to you guys for coming through. And let's just hope that Bitcoin right now could close this week above this level right here, 22,700. And honestly, I don't like the fact that it's already above it kind of early. I wish this would have happened like on Wednesday or Thursday or something, because usually we always see like some little wicks going the opposite way and then we go the other way. So yeah, we should see. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm finna get out of here. The family's hitting me up. Finna go get something to eat. Till next time, y'all. Peace.